Hi everyone, welcome to level 13. In this level, we focus on SDLC, user stories, and acceptance criteria, very important, this agile experience. Okay, this is a worksheet demo from our class course for aspiring business analysts. These are the core skills every BA must master to work confidently on the real project. Okay, so far we learned application side, how the application work. Now we are going to more deep dive into how the software product is made. Okay, so software development lifecycle. SDLC stands for software development lifecycle. It is show how an idea moves from business requirement to development, right? And testing, and finally release. So as a business analyst, you are involved at every stage, not just at the beginning. SDLC phases, from a BA point of view, SDLC start with requirement gathering. Okay. Then you support the design by clarifying requirements. During development, you answer questions and manage changes. So you also support testing, UAT, by validating acceptance criteria. Even after release, BA help with clarification and improvements, and validation also we can help. So worksheet scenario is, in this worksheet, we will work on real world scenario. The requirement is to add track launch status feature. So your task is to write one clear user story, then write acceptance criteria, and finally map the story across SDLC phases. So you will do many scenarios in the real program. Okay. So sample story: who does what, who is the user, loan applicant, does what, track what, loan status, and what's the benefit. You know this format already. Okay, so user story help convert business needs into help understandable requirements, right? So acceptance criteria or definition of done. You can use Q and when then, or you can use verify that, or like validate. So these are things we need to validate. Status is visible after login. The status should be updated automatically. If the status unavailable, an error message should be shown. This removes ambiguity for developers and testers. Okay. The key points for business analysts: user stories, keep requirements clear and focused. Acceptance criteria define done really means what is done, right? Definition of done. Understanding SDLC help business analysts manage timelines and scope changes also. So the next step, these worksheets help students practice writing user story every day, and they prepare for the real agile projects in the next level. We focus on resume and cover letter preparation level 14. I'll see you guys in the demo level 14. Thank you.